Now, Chief Meteorologist Scott Dorval with the On Your Side forecast.
Yes, the wind was blowing in the Treasure Valley today and all throughout the region, mostly the valleys, and it was cold, but don't despair if you like the milder weather, because this weather trend is going nowhere but up. This should be the coldest day of the week and beyond, we'll say, although tomorrow morning will be the coldest morning. Everything will rise from there. Look at this. We get above average by late of the day Friday. We're already up to 52. We get above average for Saturday and for Sunday as well at 58, and then we could peak up around 66 on Wednesday and Thursday of next week. These new charts keep these temperatures on the mild side, so mild weather continuing. Yes, after today, though, look at the wind here. 43 degrees, wind northwest of 24, had a gust over 40 miles an hour at the Boise airport just a little while ago. Our wind advisory in effect until 8 o'clock. That's just after the sun sets here, and then the wind will start to settle down. But as that temperature drops and the wind still hasn't dropped off yet, it will be a cold evening. But by tomorrow morning, that wind will be disappearing, and we'll be seeing frost and lots of it around the region. Look at the colors here. This purple, this is above 50 miles per hour. Twin Falls reporting 47, but nearby 47 to 60 miles per hour in the eastern Magic Valley. That's where our strongest wind was. And there's the 41 in Boise that occurred at 4:55 p.m. just a little while ago. 33 in Ontario. These are a maximum wind gusts for the entire day. It shows 30 in Mountain Home, but I'm seeing weather observations nearby of over 50 miles per hour. So that's probably underdone there. It has been a windy, cold day. All that wind feeding into that storm in the Midwest. But boy, the sky has been beautiful. Here's a live picture from Kelly's Whitewater Park in Cascade. It's 35 degrees. There's been very little wind at all in the mountains. It's all in the valley right now, but you see that snow looks beautiful out there. And how about Bogus Basin? Storm system, yeah, this looks like it's going to give a little more snow than I thought. I thought maybe 2 or 3 inches. This was this morning or last night at 11:15, and then even overnight there was a little snow, and then a burst of snow this morning again. So we were up to 6.5 inches of snow. So skier is getting a nice, beautiful ski day today. Winter conditions in mid-March, just incredible. Snow showers in the blue, still hanging on here in the mountains of eastern Idaho, and that wind continues to slide off to the east here. It's basically running through the Treasure Valley, and it's feeding into our Midwest storm system. Again, Denver shut down today with that strong northerly wind. There were wind gusts to 85 to 90 miles an hour between Denver and Grand Junction today. This is an absolute weather bomb, as they call it. This is the lowest center of pressure that we've had in the Midwest in recorded history here, and so it is a winter hurricane. Right now in Rapid City, wind is blowing 63 miles an hour. There's a ground blizzard going on, heavy snow falling as well. It is a hurricane over land is basically what you're seeing. So there's a storm system wrapping around. You take a look at the water vapor satellite picture, you see everything feeding into the eye of this thing right here. This is dry air coming in from the south, wrapping on in, moisture wrapping around the outside of it. And when you look at the advisories, these are all high wind warnings in all of these locations. All of this purple up here, these are blizzard warnings going up through the Dakotas and all the way up into northern Minnesota as well. And when you take a look at the storm reports of significant weather, they absolutely color the entire map. So this is a huge impact on airline travel as well. But our weather will be chilly tomorrow. The wind will go to the light side, and the overall forecast here for Friday into the weekend is pleasant weather moving into the valley. Now that is a good looking forecast. My Treasure Valley forecast looks like this for tomorrow. The wind will not be as strong. It will be cold and frosty in the morning, still chilly in the afternoon, pretty decent in Ontario with a high temperature right around 51 degrees in the mountains, real cold in the morning. But I want to show you this warming trend into the weekend, rolling 55 to 60, sunshine mixed with some clouds. It won't be completely sunny over the weekend, but near 60 is beautiful. And Monday and Tuesday of next week could be incredible, should be the word on that.
Yeah, getting warm fast.
Yeah.
All right, thanks, Scott.